All right, this one is going to be for a certain collective because I set the intention that this lands on the feeds of the souls who are going through what I am and can't put a finger on it. Being this morning, I went on a rant about it and landed on this one. We're going to use a movie editing analogy for this because it's the only thing that really fits what the last 2 weeks have kind of felt like, at least for me. And yes, apparently I run the beta version first, so I can come back and explain it to everyone else. I feel like I'm a fucking test subject sometimes. Like, cool, universe. Invoice pending. Like, this sounds like I could be billing somebody for this, no? But anyway. If you didn't catch this morning's post, while I was journaling, I went on a full AM rant because I couldn't even explain what was happening. Time felt edited, fast forward, slow motion, then back to fast forward. No sense, no label. And of course, once I talked it out, the download landed. Here's the clearest way I could explain what I couldn't earlier. Your life right now is basically in post-production. Your 2025 movie is in the editing room. Fast forward mode is the montage, the wrap it up, cut these scenes, this story is done energy. People exit, decisions happen quick, old cycles close fast because they're over. Slow motion is the replay shot, not punishment, it's integration. Your system runs slow. The scene slows down so you can actually see what changed instead of bulldozing past it. Then you get the weird glitchy mix of both. Jump cuts, time elasticity, emotional lag, Lola barking in the house, confirmation. That's the update installing. Old identity, uninstalling. New one, not fully fucking loaded yet, so you feel ahead of your life and behind at the same time. Days are both 5 minutes and fucking 5 weeks long at the same time. Reality has a remote control and won't pick a fucking speed. Like, what are we doing here? It's the best way to sum it up. When timelines shift, your nervous system edits perception before your brain catches up. You're not backtracking, you're repatterning. 2, 3, 4. That's been coming up a lot too. So if the last 2 weeks felt like someone was cutting, splicing, slowing, and even speeding up your life like a fucking film editor, you're not crazy. You're mid-update. It's the 2026 system upgrade rolling out. You're just in the early access build of it. I hope this made sense to somebody out there because that's the download I got of how to explain it. Also, I don't know if turtle is a sign for somebody because I picked this turtle stone. I don't even know what kind it is. I want to say some kind of quartz. But the fact that Lola grabbed her turtle toy too today, I'm going to look into that. There's an analogy for that, right? 333 when I look down and there's a honk. So yeah, like the turtle always wins the race. Like you don't have to rush through life. I don't know. There's something along those lines that's not dropping in my brain, but you know the drill. If you made it this far, show some love. Drop a comment. Where is this reaching? Because, you know, I'm over here in Jersey and this weather is just not a vibe. It's not a vibe. And I believe it's because, you know, it's kind of saying it's purge, release some more. And my brain's like, yo, I released everything. What else you want me releasing? When I look down 411 on that timer. What information is going to come now that I shared this is what I feel like. So let's see what else comes up.